All right, everybody, get ready for a deep dive. Today, we're going deep into the world of car audio.
Ooh, car audio.
Yeah, but specifically how AI is really starting to change the game.
AI and car audio.
Yeah, so we're going to be talking about a company called Baboom Baboom.
Okay.
And you might know them for their wiring. They make really great budget-friendly wiring harnesses and stuff.
Yeah, they have a really good reputation.
Yeah, they do. But get this, they just came out with a free AI tool to help people with car audio projects.
Really, for free?
Yeah, you heard that right. Free.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. So they're essentially giving away expertise that audio pros have spent years honing.
Yeah, that's a bold move for sure.
Yeah, so we took a look at their website and a couple of recent press releases.
Okay.
And it looks like they're actually offering not one, not two, but 3 different free tools powered by AI.
Wow.
Yeah, so one for car audio, one for other car electronics,
Mm-hmm.
and one for home audio.
Oh, wow. So they're really branching out.
Yeah, they're really covering all the bases. But the one we really wanted to focus on today is what they're calling CarAudioGPT.
CarAudioGPT, that sounds interesting.
Yeah, and this isn't just some basic FAQ page or something. This is like a full-on virtual consultant.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, imagine having an audio expert riding shotgun, ready to answer any question you have about your car audio setup.
That's a really cool concept.
Yeah, so it can help you choose the right components for your system, understand how to actually design the whole thing, get advice on how to install everything, and it even help you fine-tune the sound once it's all set up.
So it's like a start to finish kind of thing?
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, so from what we've seen, it's been trained on just mountains and mountains of car audio-specific information.
Wow.
Like manuals, guides, all those technical documents, the stuff that would take you forever to dig through on your own.
Yeah, that's a lot of information.
Yeah, so they've essentially taken a massive library of car audio knowledge and made it instantly accessible.
That's really impressive.
Yeah, and what's really cool is that it's designed to be helpful whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete DIY newbie.
So it's for everybody.
Yeah, exactly. It's a game changer on both fronts.
I could see that.
Imagine you're a professional installer.
Uh-huh.
And you need to double check a wiring diagram really quickly or get a second opinion on a tricky installation.
That would be so helpful.
Right. Or if you're a DIYer and you've always wanted to upgrade your car's sound system, but you were kind of intimidated by the whole thing.
Yeah.
This gives you that extra boost of confidence, to just dive in and tackle the project.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And the press release even mentions how CarAudioGPT can help you figure out what gauge wire you need for your amplifier.
Oh, wow.
And give you tips for routing wires in those really tight spaces in your car.
It's those little details that can make a big difference.
Exactly. And knowing Baboom Baboom, they probably made this tool super user-friendly.
Yeah, they're all about making car audio more accessible.
Yeah, totally. So by making CarAudioGPT free, they're removing all the barriers to entry for anyone who's even remotely interested in car audio, no matter their skill level.
That could really shake things up in the car audio world.
Yeah, for sure. I'm thinking about all those people who've always wanted to upgrade their car's sound system but felt overwhelmed.
Right.
This tool could be what finally gets them to take the plunge.
Like the final push they needed.
Yeah, exactly. And let's not forget about the potential impact on retailers and educators.
Oh, good point.
Imagine being able to explain really complex audio concepts to customers in a way that's easy to understand.
Yeah.
Or quickly train new staff on how all these car audio systems work.
The applications are pretty vast.
Yeah, it's really cool to see how Baboom Baboom is pushing the boundaries here.
Yeah, they're not just selling products. They're really trying to create a community.
Yeah, and empower car audio enthusiasts.
For sure.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about what makes this CarAudioGPT so cool. But I want to get your initial thoughts, what jumps out at you about this technology and what Baboom Baboom is doing.
Well, what really strikes me is how they've managed to take all this, expert-level knowledge and make it instantly accessible.
Yeah.
It's not just about giving you information. It's about making that information something you can actually use.
Well,
Think about all the times you've been working on a car audio project and you just wish you had an expert to bounce ideas off of.
yeah, totally.
Now you do with this car audio GPT. It's like having that friend who's a total car audio whiz on speed dial.
Yeah, exactly, but without having to actually call them and interrupt them.
Right, exactly. And it's not even just about fixing problems or anything. It's also about giving people the confidence to try new things, Maybe someone's always wanted to add a subwoofer to their system, but they had no idea where to start.
Yeah.
Now they can get step-by-step guidance from CarAudioGPT.
Right.
It could really open up a whole new world of possibilities for DIYers.
I'm really curious to see how this affects the car audio community as a whole.
It's hard to say for sure, but I think it could really level the playing field,
Yeah.
empower more people to take car audio into their own hands,
Right.
which could lead to some really cool innovation down the road.
You know what else is cool about this?
What's that?
The press release mentioned that this car audio GPT is constantly learning and evolving.
Oh, wow.
It's not just like a static set of information.
So it's getting smarter over time.
Exactly. Yeah, as more people use it and give feedback, it's going to become even more accurate and comprehensive.
That's really impressive.
Yeah, it's like having a car audio expert that just gets better with age.
I like that.
And it's not just for newbies either.
Yeah.
Even professionals can use this.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I bet even experienced installers could pick up a few new tricks or find creative solutions they hadn't thought of before.
Absolutely. It's a tool that can benefit everyone no matter how much experience they have.
Yeah, and that's something that Baboom seems to really get. They're not trying to gatekeep knowledge or just cater to a specific group.
Right.
They're making car audio accessible to everyone.
That's great.
And by making this car audio GPT free, they're also removing a huge barrier, which is cost.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Think about it, hiring a professional installer can be really expensive.
For sure, it can be really pricey.
And even if you're doing it yourself, buying all the manuals and guides can add up quickly.
Yeah.
So this free tool just takes away those financial obstacles and puts the power back in the hands of the enthusiast.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
We talked about what this car audio GPT is, how it works, some of the potential benefits. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your overall impressions of this AI tool?
I think, it's really wild to think about how far we've come with car audio technology.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Like back in the day, you had to be a total gearhead to even think about tackling a car audio project.
Yeah, pretty much. But now with tools like CarAudioGPT, it feels like anyone can get involved.
It really does. And it's not just about the technology itself. It's about the message it sends.
Right.
Baboom is saying, knowledge shouldn't be locked away.
Yeah.
They're making a statement by offering this powerful tool for free.
It's like they're investing in the car audio community.
Exactly. They know that when more people can get involved, the whole industry benefits.
It seems to be working.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, look at all the buzz around this car audio GPT.
It's everywhere.
People are talking about it online, sharing their experiences, coming up with new ways to use it.
Yeah, it's really sparking some creativity.
It's a testament to, having a good idea and really wanting to make things better.
It is. Baboom could have easily kept this tech to themselves or charged a fortune for it.
Right.
But they decided to share it with everyone.
It's a breath of fresh air, in a world where everything's behind a paywall.
For sure.
This feels like a genuine effort to empower people.
I agree.
To make knowledge accessible to everyone.
And who knows, maybe this will inspire other companies to do the same.
Oh, man, that would be amazing.
Imagine a world where you could get expert advice on anything you're passionate about.
All for free, just a few taps away on your phone.
That would be incredible. It could really change the way we learn and the things we create.
It's an exciting thought.
It is. It's something worth working towards.
Yeah, absolutely. We've seen what's possible when companies like Baboom Baboom step up.
Yeah, they're setting a great example.
So to wrap things up, if you're even a little bit curious about car audio, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, do yourself a favor and check out Baboom's Car Audio GPT.
It can't hurt. It's free.
Exactly. And it might just open up a whole new world of audio possibilities for you.
Happy listening.
And may your car audio always be top-notch.